This is the POCO M5 device, and today we would like to show how you can enable, use and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the keyboard. Then at this little top row containing various options and functions of the keyboard, you gotta go for this little icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Once at the clipboard page, turn the switch on so it will be activated. Then, if you would like to remove the elements from here, tap on the pencil icon, select what particular elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on a trash bin. On the other hand, if you would like for anything to be added to your clipboard, you gotta simply copy, anything basically. And once we'll get back to the clipboard, we'll see that this little piece of text that we have just copied has been successfully added as the most recent entry of the clipboard. From here, just tap on the element that you would like to use, and it will be easily pasted into whatever typing bar or typing space you have launched the keyboard with. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.